Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, and today I will show you how we can wipe cache partition on this tablet. So, to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top right side and then click on the power button right here. Choose power off, and when the device turns off, you will want to grab a cable, plug it into your computer and have it ready on the side for now. Next, what we will start doing is holding volume up and the power button at the same time, and the moment you start holding these two buttons together, you're gonna plug in the cable. So I'm gonna start holding them right about now. Plug in. Now you will see Samsung and then Galaxy. When you see Galaxy, you can let go of the power button, keep holding volume up, and this redirects us to the recovery mode. You can get rid of the cable, it's only needed to actually enter this mode. So in here, you'll actually need to use volume buttons to navigate, so volume down will navigate down to the list, and up will go up, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now, with that in mind, we're going to scroll down and select Wipe Cache Partition, press the power button, and select Yes. And it's going to tell you that the cache wipe has been completed, at which point the reboot system now is selected by default, so press the power button once again. This will reboot the device and bring you back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.